control on your laughter. Have control on your laughter.
तुम्हारे गंदे इरादे हैं.
You have evil intentions. You have evil intentions.
बोतल के ढक्कन को खोल दो.
Open the cap of bottle. Open the cap of bottle.
मेरी मेहनत अभी भी जारी है.
My hard work is still on. My hard work is still on.
आपकी यात्रा मंगलमय हो.
May you have happy journey. May you have happy journey.
अपनी उम्मीद मत हारो.
Don't lose your hope. Don't lose your hope.
मिलते हैं जल्दी.
See you soon. See you soon.
यह सब किस्मत की मर्जी थी.
It was all fated to happen. It was all fated to happen.
मुझे खतरे में मत डालो.
Don't put me in danger. Don't put me in danger.
दरवाजा आधा खुला छोड़ दो.
Leave the door ajar. Leave the door ajar.
ठंडी हवा अंदर आने दो.
Let the cold wind come inside. Let the cold wind come inside.
तुम्हें अपनी गलती का एहसास नहीं है.
You don't realize your mistake. You don't realize your mistake.
आवारागर्दी मत करो.
Don't loiter. Don't loiter.
अच्छे से सबसे बात करो.
Talk to everyone nicely. Talk to everyone nicely.
इतना सख्त होना भी सही बात नहीं है.
It's not good to be such lenient. It's not good to be such lenient.
अंग्रेजी को रटो मत.
Don't cram. Mug up English. Don't cram or mug up English.
समझने की कोशिश करो.
Try to understand. Try to understand.
तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या आया?
What came to your mind? What came to your mind?
पैसों के पीछे भागना बंद करो.
Stop running after money. Stop running after money.
इतने बेचैन मत हो.
Don't be so restless. Don't be so restless.
तुम्हारी बेचैनी का कारण क्या है?
What's the reason of your restlessness? What's the reason of your restlessness?
पैसा दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी ताकत नहीं है.
Money is not the biggest power of the world. Money is not the biggest power of world.
तुम किसी की नहीं सुनते हो.
You don't listen to anyone. You don't listen to anyone.
अब पछताने से क्या फायदा?
What's the use of regretting now? What's the use of regretting now?
वह संस्कारी लड़का है.
He is well-mannered boy. He is well-mannered boy.
तुम्हें खेल खेलने की लत लग गई है.
You are addicted to playing game. You are addicted to playing game.
चाहे झूठ कितना ही ताकतवर क्यों ना हो, हमें सच का साथ देना चाहिए.
No matter how powerful lie is, we should stand by truth. No matter how powerful lie is, we should stand by truth.
यहाँ तमाशा खड़ा मत करो.
Don't create ruckus here. Don't create ruckus here.
तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो?
What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself?
यह मेरे दिल की इच्छा है.
It's my wholehearted will. It's my wholehearted will.
तुमने मेरा दिन बना दिया.
You made my day. You made my day.
मैं तुम्हारा हमेशा साथ दूंगा.
I will always stand by your shoulder. I will always stand by your shoulder.
मुझसे वादा करो.
Promise me. Promise me.
मैं तुम्हारा कभी साथ नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
I will never leave your company. I will never leave your company.
टीवी इतने पास से मत देखो.
Don't watch TV so closely. Don't watch TV so closely.
अपनी आंखों की देखभाल करो.
Look after your eyes. Look after your eyes.
मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता है.
I also feel the same. I also feel the same.
वह पैदाइशी झूठा है.
He is a born liar. He is a born liar.
क्या तुम भूत से डरते हो?
Are you afraid of ghost? Are you afraid of ghost?
अपनी नाराजगी कम कर लो.
Reduce your anger. Reduce your anger.
मुझे यह कहीं से भी ला कर दो. मुझे यह कहीं से भी ला कर दो.
Fetch it to me from anywhere. Fetch it to me from anywhere. Fetch it to me from anywhere.
वह मेरा जिगरी दोस्त है.
He is my bosom friend. He is my bosom friend.
बात को सुलझाने की कोशिश करो.
Try to settle the matter. Try to settle the matter.
तुम्हें कुछ आता जाता नहीं है.
You don't know anything. You don't know anything.
समय के साथ सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा.
Everything will be all right with time. Everything will be all right with time.
उसने तुम्हें धोखा दिया.
She deceived you. She deceived you.
तुम पार्टी की जान हो. तुम पार्टी की जान हो.
You are life and soul of party. You are life and soul of party.
मेरी बातों को लिख लो. मेरी बातों को लिख लो.
Mark my words. Mark my words.
फालतू घूमना बंद करो.
Stop roaming around. Stop roaming around.
यहाँ खाली खड़े मत रहो.
Don't hang around here. Don't hang around here.
पुलिस वाले चक्कर लगा रहे हैं.
Policemen are making rounds. Policemen are making rounds.
तुम्हें इसकी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी.
You will have to pay for it. You will have to pay for it.
तुम सजा के लायक हो.
You deserve punishment. You deserve punishment.
बिना हेलमेट के बाइक मत चलाओ.
Don't ride bike without helmet. Don't ride bike without helmet.
क्या तुम्हें कोई एतराज है? क्या तुम्हें कोई एतराज है?
Do you have any objection? Do you have any objection?
मेरे हाथों में सैनिटाइजर छिड़क दो.
Spray sanitizer on my hands. Spray sanitizer on my hands.
लालच बुरी बला है. लालच बुरी बला है.
Avarice is root cause of all evils. Avarice is root cause of all evils.
उसे हाथ से इशारा कर दो.
Gesture him by your hand. Gesture him by your hand.
तुम्हें यह कहने का हक नहीं है। तुम्हें यह कहने का हक नहीं है।
You don't have right to say it. You don't have right to say it.
मैं बहुत ज्यादा शर्मिंदा हूँ।
I am deeply embarrassed. I am deeply embarrassed.
मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो।
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
तुम कैसे गिर गए?
How did you fall down? How did you fall down?
मुझे किसने धक्का दिया?
Who pushed me? Who pushed me?
इसका अंजाम बहुत बुरा होगा।
Its result will be undesired. Its result will be undesired.
तुम्हारे यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ? तुम्हारे यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ?
What brings you here? What brings you here?
मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी। मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी।
I will be insulted. I will be insulted.
उसने तुम्हें बेवकूफ बना दिया।
He fooled you. He fooled you.
वह मुझसे जलता है।
He gets jealous of me. He gets jealous of me.
तुम समझ गए होंगे।
You must have understood. You must have understood.
मैं एक सीधा साधा और सरल इंसान हूँ।
I am a down to earth person. I am a down to earth person.
मैंने झट से दिमाग दौड़ाया।
I instantly use my mind. I instantly use my mind.
तुमने सही फैसला लिया।
You made right decision. You made right decision.
तुम इससे दूर ही रहो तो अच्छा है।
You better stay out of it. You better stay out of it.
तमीज से पेश आओ।
Behave yourself. Behave yourself.
यह इतना कठिन नहीं है।
It's not so difficult. It's not so difficult.
पब खेलना इतना कठिन नहीं है।
Playing PUBG is not so difficult. Playing PUBG is not so difficult.
गुब्बारा पिचक गया है।
Balloon has shrunk. Balloon has shrunk.
गुब्बारा फुला दो।
Blow up the balloon. Blow up the balloon.
यह कहने वाले तुम होते कौन हो?
Who are you to say this? Who are you to say this?
मेरे सामने कुछ परेशानियां हैं।
Some problems have arisen in the front of me. Some problems have arisen in the front of me.
इस बात को टालो मत।
Don't put this thing off. Don't put this thing off.
समय से घर पहुंच जाओ।
Reach home in time. Reach home in time.
मैंने यह अपने दम पर किया।
I did it on my own. I did it on my own.
तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया।
You did a great job. You did a great job.
उसकी पीठ थपथपा दो।
Pat him on the back. Pat him on the back.
मेरे जूते कीचड़ में सन गए हैं। मेरे जूते कीचड़ में सन गए हैं।
My shoes got into mud. My shoes got into mud.
अपने जूते बाहर उतार दो।
Put off your shoes outside. Put off your shoes outside.
पहल तुमने की। पहल तुमने की। पहल तुमने की।
You took the first step. You took the first step.
उसके सर पर चोट आई है।
He has got injury on his head. He has got injury on his head.
उसका स्वास्थ्य बिगड़ रहा है।
His health is deteriorating. His health is deteriorating.
वह मेरा बचपन का दोस्त है।
He is my childhood friend. He is my childhood friend.
कम से कम कोशिश तो करके देखो।
At least give it a try. At least give it a try.
चलो यहाँ से चले।
Let's live here. Let's live here.
यह एक अच्छा मजाक था।
It was a good joke. It was a good joke.
जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी।
As you wish. As you wish.
झूठ का साथ देना भी गलत होता है।
It's also wrong to support lie. It's also wrong to support lie.
मैं हमेशा सच का साथ देता हूँ।
I always stand by truth. I always stand by truth.
क्या यह मुझ पर अच्छा लग रहा है?
Is it looking good on me? Is it looking good on me?
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ।
Don't offend me. Don't offend me.
अपने बालों का जूड़ा बना लो।
Tie your hair in a bun. Tie your hair in a bun.
यह थोड़ा सा अजीब है।
It's a bit odd. It's a bit odd.
मुझे गलत मत समझो।
Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong.
मेरा सिर खुजा दो। मेरा सिर खुजा दो।
Scratch my head. Scratch my head.
तुमसे मतलब?
Any concern to you? Any concern to you?
मुझे सिगरेट पीने के लिए मना किया है। मुझे सिगरेट पीने के लिए मना किया है।
I am forbidden to smoke. I am forbidden to smoke.
मेरे साथ पक्षपात मत करो।
Don't show favoritism towards me. Don't show favoritism towards me.
जल्दी करो।
Hurry up. Hurry up.
आराम से।
Take it easy. Take it easy.
तुम्हें थोड़े परिश्रम की जरूरत है।
You need to do a bit hard work. You need to do a bit hard work.
वह बहुत लड़ाकू है।
He is bellicose. He is bellicose.
पानी पीने से तुम्हारा जी हल्का हो जाएगा।
Drinking water will make you feel lighter. Drinking water will make you feel lighter.
कुत्ते को यहाँ से भगाओ।
Shoo away dog from here. Shoo away dog from here.
मुझे गर्मा गर्म चाय दे दो।
Give me piping hot tea. Give me piping hot tea.
खिड़की से मत झांको।
Don't peep through the window. Don't peep through the window.
अंदर ही रहना।
Stay inside. Stay inside.
तुमने मेरा नुकसान कर दिया।
You put me in loss. You put me in loss.
मेरा पेट भर गया है।
I am full. I am full.
बेचारा राजू।
Poor Raju. Poor Raju.
छोड़ो बात को, जाने दो।
Let it be. Let it be.
कुछ तो ख्याल रखो। मैं कॉफी पीने का आदी हूँ।
I am used to drinking coffee. I am used to drinking coffee.
मुझे थोड़ी सी देर हो गई.
I got a little late. I got a little late.
कृपया मेरे लिए मान जाओ.
Please agree for my sake. Please agree for my sake.
मेरा हाथ सो गया है.
My hand has gone to sleep. My hand has gone to sleep.
सोने का नाटक मत करो.
Don't pretend to be asleep. Don't pretend to be asleep.
आगे क्या करना है?
What to do next? What to do next?
हम सोच ही रहे थे.
We were just thinking. We were just thinking.
इतने में तुम आ गए.
Meantime, you came. Meantime, you came.
तुम सच में उबाऊ हो.
You are such a monotonous. You are such a monotonous.
इतनी जलन सही नहीं है.
This much jealousy is not good. This much jealousy is not good.
इसमें से अंडे की बदबू आ रही है.
It's smelling of egg. It's smelling of egg.
मैं खुले मिजाज का आदमी हूँ.
I am what kind of person? I am what kind of person?
अच्छी तरह से सोच समझकर कुछ कहो.
Say something after much deliberation. Say something after much deliberation.
ठंडे दिमाग से काम लो. ठंडे दिमाग से काम लो.
Play it cool. Play it cool.
वह सच्चा साधु इंसान है.
He is a righteous person. He is a righteous person.
मुझसे उलझो मत.
Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me.
मेरा फायदा मत उठाओ.
Don't take advantage of mine. Don't take advantage of mine.
मेरा दिल मत दुखाओ.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
बच्चे से प्यार से बात करो.
Talk to kid lovingly. Talk to kid lovingly.
मेरे दोस्तों को शक हो गया है.
My friend has grown suspicious. My friend has grown suspicious.
तुमने मेरे मन की बात कह दी.
You spoke my mind. You spoke my mind.
मैं आस्तिक हूँ.
I am theist. I am theist.
मैं नास्तिक हूँ.
I am atheist. I am atheist.
मैं भगवान शिव का भक्त हूँ.
I am devotee of Lord Shiva. I am devotee of Lord Shiva.
यह मेरे लिए मायने रखता है.
It matters to me. It matters to me.
मुझे घबराहट हो रही है.
I am feeling anxiety. I am feeling anxiety.
गरिमा को बुलाओ. गरिमा को बुलाओ.
Call Garima. Call Garima.
यह मेरे मान सम्मान की बात है.
This is the matter about my dignity. This is the matter about my dignity.
मुसीबत को मत बुलाओ.
Don't ask for trouble. Don't ask for trouble.
मैं तुम्हारा शुभचिंतक हूँ.
I am your well-wisher. I am your well-wisher.
खाना खाकर उल्टा मत लेटो.
Don't lay upside down. Don't lay upside down.
पार्टी मेरी तरफ से है. पार्टी मेरी तरफ से. पार्टी मेरी तरफ से.
Party is on me. Party is on me.
पहेलियाँ मत बुझाओ, पहेलियाँ मत बुझाओ।
Don't talk in riddles. Don't talk in riddles.
मुझसे साफ साफ बात करो,
Talk to me clearly. Talk to me clearly.
साफ साफ बताओ मुझे क्या बात है।
Tell me clearly. What's the matter? Tell me clearly. What's the matter?
मैं यह किसी भी कीमत पर नहीं करूँगा।
I will not do it at any cost. I will not do it at any cost.
जरा इसके बारे में सोचिए।
Just think over it. Just think over it.
उसे बधाई दे दो,
Congratulate him. Congratulate her. Congratulate him or her.
आजकल गर्म कपड़े मत पहनो,
Don't wear warm clothes nowadays. Don't wear warm clothes nowadays.
तुमने मुझे बिना किसी कारण से सुना दिया, तुमने मुझे बिना किसी कारण से सुना दिया।
You rebuked me for no reason. You rebuked me for no reason.
अगर तुम नहीं तो कोई नहीं,
If you are not there, then no one is there. If you are not there, then no one is there.
इसे अपने दिमाग से निकाल दो,
Take it out of your mind. Take it out of your mind.
तुम्हारे जूते का फीता ढीला हो गया,
Your shoelace has loosened. Your shoelace has loosened.
अपने जूते के फीते को बांध लो,
Tie your shoelace. Tie your shoelace.
कहीं तुम गिर ना जाओ,
Lest you should fall down. Lest you should fall down.
मैंने उसे मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया,
I retorted him. I retorted him.
मुझे बेचैनी हो रही है,
I am feeling uneasy. I am feeling uneasy.
इस मामले को यहीं दबा दो,
Hush up this matter here. Hush up this matter here.
मैं बात को आगे नहीं बढ़ाना चाहता,
I don't want to elongate the matter. I don't want to elongate the matter.
होनी को कौन टाल सकता है, होनी को कौन टाल सकता है।
That's the way the cookie crumbles. That's the way the cookie crumbles.
तुम उसकी चापलूसी करते हो,
You flatter him. You flatter her. You flatter him or her.
रस्सी को कसकर पकड़ो,
Hold on to rope. Hold on to rope.
यह तुम्हारा वहम है,
It's your illusion. It's your illusion.
तुमने मच्छरदानी कहाँ रखी है,
Where have you put mosquito net? Where have you put mosquito net?
इसे जोर से धक्का मारो,
Give it a hard push. Give it a hard push.
मेरी बाइक चलते चलते रुक गई,
My bike broke down. My bike broke down.
उसे पैसों का घमंड हो गया है,
He has become bragger towards money. He has become bragger towards money.
इतनी अकड़ सही नहीं है,
Such swag is not good. Such swag is not good.
अपनी हद पार मत करो,
Don't cross your limit. Don't cross your limit.
तुमने मेरी नाक में दम करके रखा है।
You have nagged me. You have nagged me.
मुझे मेरे हालात पर छोड़ दो।
Leave me on my own. Leave me on my own.
आखिरकार तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई।
Eventually, your hard work paid off. Eventually, your hard work paid off.
मेरी बातों का बुरा मत मानो।
Don't mind my words. Don't mind my words.
सच कड़वा होता है।
Truth is always bitter. Truth is always bitter.
गरीब का मजाक मत उड़ाओ।
Don't mock poor. Don't mock poor.
मुझे तुमसे यह उम्मीद नहीं थी।
I didn't expect this from